Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, trip computer, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.